Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Windows 10 on your computer. Whether you're upgrading from an older version of Windows or performing a clean installation, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through everything from creating a bootable USB drive to setting up your new Windows 10 environment. Let's get started and make your installation smooth and hassle-free. 1. Download the Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft. 2. Download and install the Rufus tool. 3. Open Rufus tool and create a bootable flash drive of Windows 10 using the ISO file which downloaded. 4. Change BIOS settings on the computer. Make the first bootable device a USB flash drive. 5. Install Windows 10 to your computer. First, download the Windows 10 ISO file from the internet. Go to Chrome browser, enter Windows 10, it will show the Microsoft official page to download the Windows ISO file. The link will be added on the description box. If the ISO file not showing, please follow the steps. Go to the three dots on the right-hand side top. Select More Tools. Select Developer option. Again, select these three dots. Select More Tools. Select Network Conditions. Scroll down and you can see the Use Browser default option. Just untick this one, go down, and select here Chrome OS. Now just reload the same page. Now see the ISO file download options visible here. Now select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and confirm. Now it will ask you to select language. Select language and confirm. Now it will ask you to select the option 64-bit or 32-bit. Select 64-bit. Now your download started. You can see it is 5.7 GB, as it will take some time to complete the download based on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, we need another tool, which is Rufus, to create a bootable flash drive using this Win 10 ISO file. Two, download Rufus tool, open Chrome, and type Rufus. You can see the first website which contains Rufus. Also, I have copied the link on the description box. Go the options below. Download. You can see different versions of Rufus here. Select the first one, Rufus 4.4.exe standard, which is enough for us to install Windows 10.
Insert the USB drive. Open Rufus. You can see your flash drive here. Select the ISO file of Windows. Then click Start. Then untick all these boxes. Click OK. Now it is creating the bootable drive. It will take some minutes to complete. Once completed, just close the window. Open this PC and make sure the drive is ready here.
Next, boot from USB drive. Insert the bootable USB drive into your computer. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS UEFI settings, usually by pressing F2, F12, Delete, or ESC during startup. Change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. Save the changes and restart your computer. Boot order selection for the computer may vary based on the brands. Please refer to this table to select the right boot order selection for your computer.
Insert the USB bootable flash drive on the computer and power it on. Select the first bootable device as this USB.
Select your language to install, time and currency format, keyboard layout or input method, etc. Then click Next. Click Install Now. Then accept the license terms and click Next. Here, select the Custom option to install Windows. As you can see, the hard disk partitions are already here. If you continue with the same partition, you can select the drive that you want to install and click Next. If it is a new hard disk or SSD, I will show you how to make the partitions. For that, just delete all these existing partitions. Okay, this is our hard disk full size. Now, I'm going to make 2 partitions only to show you the process. Just type here the size of partitions you wanted to make. Then apply, OK. In the same way, the remaining size makes the second partition. Apply, OK. Now select the drive in which you are going to install Windows, format ITE, then click Next. Now the process started. It will take some minutes or an hour based on the PC's performance and specifications. Once completed, it will restart. Now select Country, select Keyboard Layout. If you want to add one more keyboard layout, you can add it here, or you can add it in the future also. If not, just skip it. Not connecting to the internet, as can select I don't have internet. Continue with a limited setup. Enter name. Enter the password if needed. If not, click Next. The password also, you can add it later if required. Then accept here. Here we go. The Windows is getting ready now. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed learning how to install Windows 10 on a computer, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest DIY projects, tech tutorials, and creative hacks. Thanks for watching. See you with another interesting video in the next episode.